So we're here celebrating not only 50 years of Hot Wheels, but our partnership with Camaro with these beautiful full-size Hot Wheels edition Camaros.
We've actually done almost every Camaro to date. Camaro is one of those iconic cars that has actually influenced our design, and we feel like maybe we've influenced their design a little bit as well. As people may not know, the first Hot Wheels in the Sweet 16 was actually a 1968 Camaro. So our two brands go very, very far back in history, a very big alliance between us.
I always associated the Hot Wheels orange track and then the orange from the Camaro's history. I couldn't think of anything that would work better combined together. No other Camaro will ever come with this wheel, and the combination of satin graphite mixed with a milled face really sets it off.
So you too can have a commemorative Hot Wheels edition Camaro in 1/64th scale or in full size.